Good morning to all of you. I'm so glad to see so many of you out there. Coloring Party with Friends 2023. It's an open collab. Anyone can join in. You can join in every week or once in a while. We don't care. We just like having as many of you stopping by. And I am coloring today in the Night Garden coloring book. And it's a great coloring book, and I'm glad you enjoy the illustration. And of course, my co-hostess is... This is my awesome co-hostess, Crafting with Pat. Oh my gosh, you've got to go over and check out her channel. She's got two channels. This is her crafting channel, and she has a gardening channel. And she's a very supportive friend. So please go over and check out what she does. You will really enjoy her channel, and she's so sweet and so kind and very supportive. Now let's go see what her gardening channel looks like. And here is her gardening channel. Oh my gosh, if you like gardening, you should go check her channel out. She comes up with some great content and gives you lots of gardening tips. Plus, she shares her beautiful garden with you. We've been friends for a couple of years, so please go check out her crafting channel and her gardening channel. I learn something about the garden every week from her gardening videos, so please go check them out. She's super kind and super nice and full of great content. And check out some of her friends. She's got some great garden buddies you're going to love also. Well, let's see who is our shout out for today. Here's another one of my awesome friends that joins in for Coloring Party with Friends 2023. Please go check out this awesome creator, and as you can see, she does lots of different things on her channel too. She does coloring, and she's got this wonderful beetle coloring book that she found at Dollar Tree. Watch that video. I think you'll enjoy it. I know I did. And she does lots of other kinds of shopping hauls and all kinds of food tests and all kinds of great things. Does a lot of thrifting videos and of course coloring videos, and she loves Dollar Tree also, and you can find some great things and get some great ideas for different projects for your own channel. And here she is, Coloring Party with Friends 2023. Oh my gosh, she's so sweet and kind and supportive. Hope you go over and check out her channel and see all the wonderful different content she has. Now, let's go see what Grandma colored this week. I'm going to be coloring in the Night Garden coloring book, and I'm going to be using gel pens, and some of these have that glitter gel pens, and hopefully I'll be able to share with you the glitter a little bit better. I'm going to be quiet through most of this video now and let you just listen to soft music and spend all my time trying to share with you how I colored this page, and I hope you enjoy it. I just love the illustrations that they use in this coloring book, the Night Garden coloring book. It's just beautifully done, as you can see. And there's all kinds of little critters from the garden. And of course, our cute little deer in the night, cuddled up